Hey, what's up, guys? What's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and guys, real quick, I just want to show you guys something really special, guys, because um, I think it was on September 9th, one of my subscribers, one of my clients funded $4,000 in his account, and as you can see, September 9th, I took a trade and we got $1,499 win on this position here on USD JPY, and the next day on September 10th we got $879 on the trade. So as you can see, in total we made a $2,379 profit, $1,000 profit on just 2 days of trading, guys, September 9th and the 10th. And as you can see, the balance is at $6,281. And guys, that is really amazing. Like, this is a real account. Let me show you guys that it's a real, as you can see, this is a real account, Alpari real account. So you can go and search Alpari. It's a broker, a big broker in I think it's a big broker in the United Kingdom, and there's no way I could fake this. This is a real account, guys. It is very simple. I'm gonna show you guys how I trade, but it's not gonna be the whole like in depth of how I trade, but because the way I trade is very advanced. Like, it's just like a very high probable setup trading strategy. So I'm gonna show you guys just the basics of how it works, and you guys can take it easy and back test it and see how it works for you. So guys, if you want me to manage your accounts just like this guy, I'm like this, actually it's not a guy, it's a girl. Like, she's a girl, I think she's from the United Kingdom or Australia. I'm not too sure where she's from, but she gave me this account to help her manage her funds. And as you can see, 2 days of trading, we are already up $2,379 in the bags, guys, like in the profit. So let me just show you guys real quick how this strategy works, and I'll get back. Let me just use my trading view. I don't think MT4 is that clear, so let me use my trading view. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is the Euro USD. So let's go to the USD JPY where I took those trades. So guys, like I said, guys, this is a disclaimer, guys. The way I trade is very much more dialed in than this tutorial, guys, but this is just like a a rough sketch of how I trade. So but if you want to learn how I trade, you can DM me on Instagram and let's talk. Or if you want me to manage your accounts like I'm managing this, like this girl's account, then you can also DM me on Instagram and let's talk, and let's let's talk on what you need to do for me to manage your account. So like I said, the way I trade is very simple and point. So what I do is use the band and the 200 for this particular guy trade I took. I used the Voyager band and the 200 EMA line. So I use this indicator called supply demand zone. It literally helps me find, although guys, like, I just want to be really honest with you guys. I have a premium indicator that is the same supply and demand I use on my MetaTrader 5, but this is the trading view on, like, this is the trading view type. It's just basic supply and demand and other stuff. So but what it does is it shows you supply and demand in the market, and you get to see where supply demand zones and areas is on different time frame. So what I do is I go up to the, like, maybe 5 or 15 minutes. Okay, let's just use the 5 minutes. I went up to the 5 minutes, and I think there's a line of this green and golden line is where I took a trade. Okay, so as you can see, I saw this candlestick. You can see this bullish candlestick, this strong bullish candlestick, followed by this supply. Like, you see how the market sold out down to this zone. All right, so this is a beautiful supply, and this is a very beautiful supply zone, and you can see that the market actually came back to retest, but it did not fully touch. So I wouldn't take the trade at that point because the market did not touch that green line. So what I did was, like I said, the Bollinger Band is just for to see where the market is stretched out. As you can see, Price touched the upper band, followed by this strong supply at the lower band. So that was one criteria, and I was waiting for the market to touch, which it's nearly almost touched, which is not a good signal. So I had to wait for the touch. When going back in time, you can see that the market actually came back and touched right here. All right, as you can see, the market touched. So that at that point where it touched, we will get in the trade at that same area, guys. So I took the trade at that point, and my stops was just there on the next green line. Okay, so you can see, and I took a one. Hey guys, it depends on what you want to take. A 1 to 1, a 1 to 2, a 1 to 4, a 1 to 5, guys. It's all. But for this trade, I think I took a 1 to maybe 2 or 3 on this trade. And as you can see, a 1 to 2 was a beautiful win. You can see a 1 to 2 was a beautiful win on this trade, and we ended up banking around $1,500 on this trade, or I think it's that trade. So guys, this is just the basics, like the basic of how I took this trade. But if you want to learn more in depth on how I took this trade, you can DM me on Instagram. I'm hosting a one-on-one live coaching section. On so if you're interested, you can DM me on Instagram, and let's talk on the criteria needed. If you also want me to manage your account, like I'm managing this girl's account of $4,000 plus, and we made a massive profit of $2,300 plus, more than 50% profit in just 2 trading days, guys. So if you want me to manage your account, you can DM me on Instagram, and let's also talk. The link to my Instagram is going to be in the description, guys. It's going to be in the description or on the screen right now. So that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.